The best ways to build an affiliate marketing plan. Do friends often purchase products based on your feedback? Do you love writing reviews on sites like Amazon? You might have a future in affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you'll be able to earn a commission for products you convince people to buy online. Read on to learn what you should know before you get started. The way to analyze any potential affiliate marketing program is to weigh the potential returns versus the costs. It is important to go beyond simple dollars and cents in this analysis. A cheap affiliate program that requires tons of work from the webmaster is not as cheap as it appears. A profitable program that annoys and alienates website visitors may cost more business than it brings in. When doing affiliate marketing, you automatically think of adding numerous banners to your site, but actually you should try to refrain from doing that. If you seem to have tons of banners stuffed into your website, it looks pretty ugly and makes people not interested in visiting your site again. Use anticipation to build desire for your upcoming products. Preemptive marketing about the launch of a new product or service can build a need from a want. When used properly, this kind of marketing can drive massive amounts of traffic to your new product, which increases your sales positioning tremendously. Before entering into an affiliate marketing agreement, a smart webmaster will carefully consider the associated costs. Many affiliate agreements have expenses for setup and maintenance, and some of them include long-term commitments for service. The benefits of a particular affiliate program should be weighed against the costs it will incur before any commitment is made. Increasing your productivity in affiliate marketing is about mindset just as much as it is about action. So in order to make sure you have the proper mindset, you should always wait until you experience results before increasing your campaign. Results will give you the confidence to grow and the drive to follow through. Always make sure to check on a company's conversion numbers before you decide to work as an affiliate for them. Many new marketers are sold on bright and colorful websites and fail to check the sales conversion numbers. If the company is not turning a lot of visitors into customers, this means no commissions for you. There's no reason not to give affiliate marketing a try. It won't take much for you to get started, and the information given in this video will put you on the fast track to affiliate marketing success. Don't be afraid to take your sales skills to the next level and make a career out of affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.